Then here's the last thing I want to do. So let's talk about the format of the test. We'll review material. We'll talk about what is and isn't covered, what you can have for a cheat sheet, etc. on Monday. But I want to talk about Zoom logistics right now because I want this to sink in a little bit and then we can review it if we need to on Monday again. So here's my plan, and I will put this in an email for people who are not here today. I would like to do a test live synchronously. It worked okay in my foundations class this morning, so I'm confident that it will work okay in here. Here's my question for Lucas, Jenna, Seth, the guys who don't have video. Is it possible, and if it's a no, we'll work something else out. Is it possible for you guys to have video on Wednesday at the test? You can give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. You can do a chat if you want, or you can email me later. But is that a possibility, or is your internet connection too slow? I know there were issues there. Seth says video is good. We can do that. Lucas says video is good. Jenna, you can decide, or you can email me, or I can wait. So what I'd like to do is have you on Zoom for video during the class. And then what I'll do is we'll get class started right at 9. I will sign in. We can get everybody uploaded and everything. I will put a spot on Moodle this weekend or Monday for the place where you can submit the test. So you can poke around there. You can find it. It's going to be exactly the same as submitting your homework. And then once everybody is signed into Zoom on Monday, I'll upload the test to Moodle and you can pull it off of there. You can print it if you want. You can be working with it off your screen if you want. I don't care. Either way is fine. You can handwrite your test and then take pictures of it and upload it to Moodle when you are done. That worked out relatively well with my foundations class this morning. I would just ask that you would be on video. It's not that I don't trust you, but I'd rather be able to see you like I can see you in a classroom during a normal test. So that's what I'm asking. You shouldn't need Perry. The numbers that I am doing are small enough that you should be able to do them on a regular calculator. And if you don't have your calculator home with you, then we'll discuss and figure out some other options. But that's what I'm thinking of in terms of the test. I will probably write it to be a little bit shorter than I would write a regular test, and I'll also let you go longer than 950 if you need to, because it's going to take a little bit of time to pop it up on your computer screen, and especially to take pictures of your work and submit it when you're done. Does that sound like a viable plan for the test on Wednesday? Everybody's okay with that? Works, sounds good. It worked okay in foundations this morning. So, and again, we'll go over this on Monday. I will put it in an email for people who aren't signing into class synchronously, but that's my plan. I'll put a statement at the bottom of the test asking you to give me a timestamp of when you're done, and then just a statement that says you didn't talk to anyone else about math during the test and you didn't use online sources. We'll talk about what you can use, because I am not expecting you to memorize these protocols. There's no way that that is productive. I don't have them memorized. You should not have them memorized. So we'll talk about what you can use on Monday, but that's my plan. Questions about the format of the test? Thank you for being flexible. This is a new situation for everybody. Questions about the logistics of the test on Wednesday? There. Okay, then. Monday's plan is to go over content, whirlwind tour, basically talk about what you can and cannot have for notes, etc., protocols, handwritten out, everything for the test. I can answer homework questions, and then test on Wednesday, homework due on Wednesday. Anything else, other last minute questions that you have? Awesome. Thank you for being flexible. We'll see how a test goes with you next week, Wednesday. Have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Thanks, guys.